In this practical example we will perform mechanical stress analysis for a part, training the use of SimulationXPress. Open the available file and let's go. Note the shown piece, we need to analyze the effects of applying a load on the upper face, having both sides of the ends fixed. In the Tools menu, under Express Products, we click on SimulationXPress. We will not change the options, so we proceed to the definition of the fastening of the part. We click on Add a fixture and select the faces shown, which will be fixed in our analysis. We click Next and now we will apply the charge, in our case, force type. We select the face shown and type 2500 for the given charge in newtons. We confirm and click Next. See, we already have material applied to the piece. We proceed, and with the standard settings for the mesh we perform the simulation by clicking on Run Simulation. After the simulation, we display the voltage result. Note that the maximum voltage generated is less than the flow voltage of the material, so the part withstands the imposed tension. We display the offset chart and see the maximum displacement of the part. And finally, we display the security factor graph, verifying that the minimum safety factor for this project is greater than 1, so the design should not fail. However, in simulations of real projects, care should be taken with the considerations made from the results of the analysis. We finished this example, where we trained the use of SimulationXPress.